Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a folder on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application itself. In this tutorial, we are now going to navigate within our inbox and then within the created folders. So let's now click on inbox, and then we have a folder called Microsoft that was created in the previous tutorial. For us to now delete this, let's now right click on this folder, navigate to delete folder, click on this. As you can now see that the folder that was created in the previous tutorial has now been deleted. In this tutorial, if we go to deleted items, click on this again and delete folder again. Are you sure you want to permanently delete the selected folder? Yes, we are. Click on delete. So the deleted folder that had to be deleted twice has now been removed completely from the system. Let's go back to inbox. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.